Ligustrums. They are a great insulator on this north wall of our house. They grow quick, they grow thick, they're hardy, they're evergreen. But see all these little flowers here? They're awful. They attract flies, they attract bees, which we want the bees, but we don't want the flies, and they attract the black housefly. It has a very sweet scent right now as these are flowering out and drawing these flies in. So Greg planted these about 10 or 12 years ago, and they were just little bitty thin stalks. And like I said, they make a fantastic hedge. They make a fantastic barrier for around your fence. But if you don't want houseflies drawn up to your back porch like we are battling right now, or anywhere where your family gathers or you're going to have a party or congregate, don't plant these ligustrums, these evergreen ligustrums, anywhere where you don't want flies at a certain time of the year. Now this is going to last probably about a month, and then they start to dry up and they go away. But guys, I'm telling you, it's terrible. So we're not going to take them down because, guys, they really help, especially in the wintertime when that north wind blows, insulate our house. And it stops the walls from vibrating because it hits those. But again, don't put ligustrums anywhere near where you congregate in the summertime or where you're going to be cooking out or something, because you will have an abundance of flies. We can't really spray anything because it'll kill the bees and it'll kill our good pollinators. So right now we just have to live with it. Stay tuned for more great tips. Love you guys.